Hello and welcome back to a Pixify tutorial. Today we will be making an 18-post Instagram puzzle in Canva. We will be using our colourful distress brushstrokes to create a mood board collage. If you love this clip art, I will link below in the description where you can get your hands on it plus a 50% off discount code. Before we get started, you'll need to create your template. To do this, we first need to create a custom design in Canva with the sizes 3240 pixels wide by 6480 pixels high. This will give us an individual Instagram post size of 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. To make this easier, we'll first need to turn on the ruler and margin guides by clicking File and making sure they're both checked. Once you've turned on the ruler and margins, simply drag your guidelines into place. Make sure your grid increases by 1080 pixels each time. Now let's upload the clip art we'll need by clicking the Upload Media button. As you can see, this distress brushstroke set comes in many fun colours. Now let's get creative. Firstly, we'll add a few brushstrokes down to create a background. Now that that's done, we'll add the frames. Click on Elements and search for frames. Canva has many free ones to choose from. Simply click on each frame you'd like to add. Now I'll add a few more brushstrokes over the top to add more interest and detail. I'll also add some bold text using the font Poppin'. By adding a lift effect, it will make the white font stand out on top of the images. Now let's fill our mood board collage with interesting and inspiring images. If needed, you can turn the grid off just to get a better view of your whole Instagram feed without the lines. Once you're happy with the collage, we'll have to split it. I use a free website called Pine Tools, which I will link below in the description. The website is very easy to use and free. Simply upload your image, select Split Both Ways, change the vertical blocks to 6 and the horizontal blocks to 3. As you can see, it splits and labels the files, which makes it a little easier when you upload them to Instagram. Just make sure to do it in the correct order. And here is the final result. To make this process even easier for you, I will link below in the description where you can download the Instagram grid for free so you don't have to fiddle around with margins. Thank you so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video.